Yo, what's going on, team? I hope you're all having a good time. Let me show you what I did on this specific gold sell today. So the first sell-off, the first breakout that I took around, I think it was 1874 is where I was getting in. Somewhere around in this area, market dropped. That was cool, but then the market snapped back and we didn't get the push. So I got stopped out with a loss. But then what I did was I was using my fib retracement tool. I've put the fib on the top of the recent move down, and yeah, I was moving it like that. So from the high to the low of that push, because then the market was coming back for the retest, for the pullback, and then I was searching for clear confirmation around in this area, like the 0.618, 0.7, around in this area. I wanted to get in, and I was looking for a clear break of structure on the 1 minute chart. Like, let me show you exactly what I mean. So now we are at the 1 minute chart. Remember, we were getting in around in this area here for the first sell-off. Then the market turned around, turned against us. Then I was moving the Fibonacci from here to here. And then I was looking for sell opportunities around in this area. Let me make the Fibonacci retracement tool a little bit smaller so you can see. So the exact sell entry signal, the exact entry confirmation signal that I had for this trade was on the 1 minute chart, this breakout here. Look, like this clear breakout over here. And then I was starting to sell this thing. Of course, before the New York session started, we had this consolidation, but I was moving my stop a little bit out of traffic, somewhere around in this area. I mean, if the market was snapping back to that level, I didn't want it to be involved no more. I was really waiting for the drop, you know, and as soon as it started to drop, I was moving my stop a little tighter, but still gave it enough air to breathe for a potential another stop hunt. As you can see, market was testing the level again before it clearly dropped, and then yeah, then I was holding it, moving my stop with the structure, of course. Like as I saw that we get this drop, I was moving my stop somewhere around here. Then it was dropping, and I was like, okay, now I have to move my stop somewhere around here to secure the bag. And then we had another push, and then we were in the potential reversal area around 1860 to 1850. So I decided to get out of this trade around in this area when I saw the first green candle. This is where I wanted to get out. I had enough. I was big loaded up on that trade, and yeah, that's what I did. Now the market is snapping back, maybe for a potential liquidity grab over here before it drops again. So let's see, maybe we can get another entry, but I'm cool for the day. Like I got my bag. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I wish you a great day, guys. Peace out.